loud. This has to be one of our 408 Windsor strokers. This is the 450 package. It's got them making 533, 540 foot-pounds of torque. Awesome. Edelbrock heads, Eagle rotating assembly. This has got a CRV belt system on here. Pretty cool system. Real nice thick belts. Double belt system it is for an alternator and power steering. They each run an independent belt for each, power pack, that is. One belt for the power steering, one belt for the alternator. Hey, again, when you custom build a motor, you get it your way. Whatever you like. We can custom paint, different style oil pans, fuel injected, carbureted, tool-ups, what have you. This is what we do here. We do it every day. We've only been doing this all our lives. So again, we know what we're doing, have our trust, we got your back. Thank you. All right, All-American, here we go, man. We got your 408 Windsor stroker here, and we're gonna fire this bad boy up for you. This is 18040 serial number.